Welcome to our room in the Anaheim Hotel. As you can see from you first walk in, it is very spacious and bright and very clean. Looks newly renovated for it being kind of an older hotel, so I'm really liking it so far. Have 2 queen beds. Nice. We gotta do bed check. Bed check. Oh, it's comfy. It's nice. Fluffy feeling. Nothing worse than like jumping into a bed and it feels like rock. But this is nice. I messed up the bed. We have a really interesting desk light and a really cute old-timey phone. All right, and then over here, a nice big flat screen TV with a really cute lamp. I'm loving like the theme in here. We get a nice little mini fridge. We put some waters in there earlier. It did kind of smell a little funky, so didn't like that, but it's okay. We get a fridge, which is nice because a lot of hotels nowadays don't have fridges. You know, your typical drawers. Over there is the closet and bathroom with a full body-sized mirror, which for the ladies, you know we love that. So let's check it out. So here's the closet, basic, average size, nice little wheelies. This door won't open, so. And then here's the bathroom. Forewarning, bathroom is a little dated. Yeah. Not the best shower we've ever seen.
It's very old. It looks like someone kicked it. And like, it's like an indent into the wall.
Yeah, it's definitely very old, but it's clean. It has a vent, so that's nice because we've been in a few hotels that don't have a vent, so lack of privacy there, if you know what I mean.
So like with how old this place is, I don't know if you can see it, but there's like just little dirty marks, cracks right here. Got some rust. Oop, got some rust right there. Like
it's old, but again, the main room is very new and renovated, so it's kind of like win-lose situation. Really cool. We have a balcony, which we're on the 2nd floor, so we get the balcony, but the first floors get like a backyard almost, so it's actually really cool. All right, and here is our balcony. It's really cool because you can actually kind of see the backyard of the downstairs people right here. You can see how large it is. You got like umbrellas and chairs and table. That's really cool. I've never actually seen that in a hotel before. But yeah, so it has 2 chairs and a table, so we can totally sit out here, enjoy the weather, and talk crap about each other to our faces. It's nice.
yeah, pretty decent sized balcony. Because we have the air conditioning on, yeah, it's a little loud, but no worries. Ugh. That was a little rough. I have a pretty nice little desk for you to work at, or, you know, that little desk. Like she said, the fridge is cool, but it smells like feet.
Straight up smells like nasty gym socks in there. We opened it, we were like, ooh.
But the bed itself is clean, nice headboard. You have up-to-date USB-A, not USB-C, but you got your wall plugs here. You have a nice little clock with a USB port in the back.
They do. I lied. Oh no, I didn't.
It does charge.
That's so cool. And it looks like they also offer room service. So that's really cool. This is a pretty nice hotel, and it wasn't super expensive. We're pretty close to Disney.
Yeah, it's actually we're right across the street from Disney.
Yeah, so all in all, this is a pretty nice hotel. I like it. I think it's really cute.
Yeah, in terms of like just comfortability, it's I guess like I would rate it 7.5 out of 10. The bathroom, yeah, it's not like the best, so that kind of knocks off the comfortability of it.
Yeah, I would say the bathroom and the feet fridge are probably my only complaints. The bed is super comfy. The room is really clean overall.
The guest services are really nice.
Yeah, and the hallway is really cool. They have trees from downstairs coming through up into the 2nd story, so the hallway gives a very jungly vibe. It's super cool. I've never seen that in a hotel before.
Check it out real fast.
Yes.
Yeah, you can kind of see that like it gives off a very much like a jungly-ish vibe.
Like I've never seen this in a hotel before. I think this is such a cool and very unique feature for this place.
Yeah.
It was one of the first things that I complimented actually, because I was like, this is so cool.
Yeah, and so we are in room 143, if you want to know. Again, for the most part, room is really nice. The only points I'm knocking out is like just kind of how old it shows it is, and how kind of like it's a clean hotel. It's just showing its age. That's all. Clean hotel, just showing its age.
It's only showing its age in the bathroom and the ceilings.
Yeah, I got popcorn ceilings.
But yeah, I'd highly recommend staying here if you're ever in Anaheim.